I'm seeing Lulu's dog, fam. I'm seeing Lulu's dog. It's time. It's time.
NANI?!
Hey yo fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jared, not a world. Hey, it's your boy Mateo.
What's this vlog?
I don't know, bro. Today's vlog. It's come today.
What's today?
Today's Friday.
What's today, guys?
Today's Friday.
Are you sure?
Friday, yes.
Friday, I bet you this is Saturday.
Friday upload.
I bet you this is Saturday.
Friday upload.
How much you wanna bet on Saturday morning?
Every Friday for you all.
How much you wanna
you all
bet?
know
How
this.
much you guys
you
wanna bet?
Know this Friday.
How much you wanna get is
So
Saturday?
today's vlog, we see Lulu's dog today. Lulu's vlog. Yeah, we'll show you now. Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas. Happy Diwali.
Check that, bro. Christmas.
Diwali.
Diwali. Right, what's the fireworks?
Yeah, boss.
It was also going to yours.
Yeah, boss.
Come through to our.
NANI?!
Welcome back to the vlog, bro. Welcome back. It's been a minute.
Bro, it's been forever.
There's juice, bro.
Yeah.
We have juice. Hey, juice. Yo, juice. Yo, juice. If you don't like me, it's fine.
Just met you, so.
Nah, she don't like me. You can tell. Where are we heading, bro?
Heading to Broadway.
You buying us food?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, Lulu's buying us food. Man got money now. Man got AdSense money. He's buying us food.
Not even AdSense, bro. I wish.
Oh, what money is this then, bro?
I did a job.
Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today, we have Lulu's dog, we have juice. I'm seeing Lulu's dog now. I'm seeing Lulu's dog. It's time. It's time. We leave. Lulu's in there. Yeah. We're leaving, bro. Leave.
NANI?! I own you.
I own you now.
YouTube video.
You're stealing your dog, bro.
Huh?
Stealing your dog. Juice is mine. Juice? Yo, Juice. Say hi, bro.
And I think I love this from my hair.
Say hi, Juice. Juice. Say hi to the people.
I don't want to.
Just please.
Looks away from you, bro.
Please, Juice. Look at me. Juice. Juice. Acknowledge me. Juice. Yo, is that KSI? Is that KSI? Is that KSI?
Unboxing you, bro.
Is that KSI? Hey! KSI McDonald's, yo.
Bro, I was walking at a spa. Next thing, these kids are like, "Hey, yo, Juice WRLD." I'm like, "Oh."
It's to the point where I love it, and I cannot change you.
Yo. You know those guys that go out and do they just go out to random people and be like, yo, is this a celebrity, that celebrity. Someone comes to be like, yo, is that KSI?
Not even like through the simple airports.
Juice really stole my chips, man.
Yo, private plane.
Juice really stole my chips. Yo, Juice. Juice, why you stole my chips, bro? Yo, yeah, why you stole my chips? No! Yeah!
But doesn't care.
Yo! As you can see, a wild species,
Bro, what
Lulu
does that
Mng with Juice on a FaceTime with a girl.
I don't fucking know.
You know, as you have a look at him, you see he's very awkward when he talks to girls, and he's trying to
I can hear you, bro.
that's not the point. I think he found out, guys. I think we need to run.
Yeah, you do too, but you're
Thanks so much for watching, fam. Make sure you like, subscribe, tweet me at Jared Naidu. Make sure you put on post notifications on, and please like the video. It does help the algorithm. Thanks for watching again, Matt. Please subscribe to this man.
Subscribe.
Maybe you'll post a video. Guys, we're on the road for 1,000
I told
subscribers.
you! It's Saturday!
It's today. It's 8 p.m.
I told you,
It's 8 p.m.
Saturday.
Friday, but we'll upload, fam. It's going up. It'll go up.
I know these things!
Hey, it's good.
Now I know these things! Cause I'm missing
Okay, 2020, big moves. Let's go to.